This video is about solving exponential and logarithm inequalities. First of all, make the base greater than 1 and a coefficient of power or log positive. In this way, the exponential and logarithm functions will be increasing function. For increasing function, b to the x power greater than b to the y power, we can make it x greater than y. For logarithm function,
if for log base b of x greater than log base b of y, then x greater than y.
For example, 1/2 to the x power greater than 8. We will make the base 1/2 into the base greater than 1. So we write 2 to the negative x power greater than 2 to the third power. So negative x greater than 3. Both sides divided by -1. According to the rule, mommy, daddy, nanny, multiply or divide by negative number. We switch the symbol. So we get x less than -3 is the solution. For b, we will use the rule log base b to the nth power of a to the mth power equals m over n log base b of a. To change the base, log base 3 to the negative first power of x less than or equal to 2. 1 over -1 is negative log base 3 of x less than or equal to 2. Make sure the coefficient of log is positive. So we divide it by -1. Log base 3 of x. Change the symbol greater than or equal to -2. Add a base both sides. X greater than or equal to 1/9. For say the first step, you need to change this into positive. Divided by -1 both sides. Natural log of x times natural log of x minus 1 less than 0.
Then you can use a sign diagram to solve this inequality.
D. This is a logarithm inequality because e is greater than 1. Base, no problem. Coefficient of natural log of x, this is negative. We need to change it into positive. Times -1 both sides. According to mommy, daddy, nanny, we need to change the symbol. Natural log of x over 1 plus natural log of x. Then we can use a sign diagram to work this out. Rule number 2, check the domain of a logarithm function. Rule number 3, do not divide or multiply the inequality by any variable. For example, e, we cannot multiply the inequality by 1 plus natural log of x because we are not sure 1 plus natural log of x is a positive or negative. So first step, Cross the river, change sign. 1 over 1 plus natural log of x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Then work out the operation of this fraction. Use the sign diagram to solve this inequality. For this f, we cannot divide it by x both sides. Still, cross the river, change sign. Then you take x out because x is common factor. Then make sure each factor is an increasing function. The coefficient before log should be positive. So we divide it by -1 both sides. X times natural log of x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Because both sides we divided by negative number. So we change the inequality symbol from greater than or equal to 0 change into less than or equal to 0. Question 1. 2 to the x power greater than 3. This base is greater than 1. 2 to the x power greater than 3. We will take log base 2 both sides. Then cancel x greater than log base 2 of 3. Let's go to 2. 1/2 to the x power greater than 3. We will change 1/2 into 2 to the negative x power greater than 3. We will take a log base 2 both sides. Negative x greater than log base 2 of 3. Then we divide it by -1 both sides. X less than negative log base 2 of 3. 3. This is a logarithm inequality. Check the domain. X greater than 0. Log base 3 of x greater than 1. Since the base of this log 3 greater than 1, we can add base both sides. X greater than 3 to the first power is 3. We can combine these two inequalities. We know x greater than 3 is the solution. We can draw the number line. Here is 0. Basically, it's a vertical asymptote line. So, greater than 0 is this one. This is 3. Greater than 3 is this. So, intersection of x greater than 0 and x greater than 3 is x greater than 3. Question 4. First step. Domain x greater than 0. Since base is 1 over 3, we need to change it into 3. Log base 3 to the negative first power of x greater than 1. 1 over -1 is -1. Log base 3 of x greater than 1. Then we divide it by -1, both sides. Log base 3 of x less than -1. Then we add base both sides. X less than 3 to the negative first power. which is x less than 1 over 3. Then you have to combine these two to get the solution to this inequality. X greater than 0, less than 1 over 3.